Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Airbnb recommended destination feature. So to use Airbnb's recommended destination feature, what you can do is open your Airbnb app, and in the home page it automatically displays tailored destination suggestions based on your search history, location and season. Now you can also use Airbnb categories. Now tap the categories tab to get curated destination ideas that match your preferred travel tribe. You can also use the nearby feature if you want to explore close to your current location. Select the nearby option to find homes and experiences in your vicinity. You can also use the flexible date option, which allows you to discover top rated unique destinations rather than focusing on a specific rigid location. Once looking at a specific listing, check the location section, which often features top places nearby to highlight nearby points of interest and attractions. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.